Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest method to actually set up a trading bot that lets you dollar cost average into the cryptocurrencies that you like. You want to head over to Kucoin. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description to Kucoin. You want to buy cryptocurrencies fast trade, and you want to make sure that you buy USDT. So like this, and you can use any of the payment methods that they have available: Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, SEPA, all of them. 70 plus payment methods, no problem. You want to buy as many USDT that you would like to actually invest into cryptocurrencies. Now you want to head over to trade and trading bot. Click that one, scroll down and find the one called DCA. You want to create a bot, and now we have set it for Kronos here because Kronos is the one that we like on my channel here. You can do it for any of the currencies that are listed here. BTC, they have Luna, if you like Luna. XRP is there, right? They have a bunch of currencies here. I believe that you can probably find the ones that you like and the ones that you are bullish on. And what you want to do is you want to find currencies that you believe in long term, all right? You want to dollar cost average into those currencies. And for instance, if you have $10,000 available today, you can put your maximum investment to 10,000 USDT. Instead of buying them today and risking that tomorrow the currencies will drop, you will then dollar cost average every single day, every single hour, every single 2 days, or every week, 2 weeks. You can set it up as you like the bot. All right, let's put every 2 days. The first investment is done right now. We want to buy a total amount of $10,000. Every second day we're gonna buy $200 worth of CRO. You can put it at any amount that you like. All right, I have an efficient trading account because I do not have USDT loaded into my account yet. The bot will automatically stop once it hits 10,000 or it runs out of USDT, of course. You can also leave this one blank and just let it drain your account from USDT to CRO over an infinite amount of time, or until you run out of USDT. Looking at Bitcoin's chart here, an all-time chart, let's say. Imagine that you got put on to Bitcoin in 2017, you watched it grow, and you're like one of those guys that unfortunately bought when Bitcoin hit 16,000. All right, and then Bitcoin dropped, and maybe you sold here because you were going to limit your losses, or you held and then you had to wait around 3 years to actually see that your investment went into the green. Now with dollar cost averaging, you would just have bought $100 every single day, or however you set it up, and seen it probably already be in the green here again after a year. So guys, a bear market have changed my mind, have changed everybody's mind on how to invest. I'm not an investment advisor, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you how you can create a bot easily. The link down below is an affiliate link, so it will help me personally if you sign up through that one. I would appreciate it. Other than that, I hope you have a great Sunday, have a great rest of your day, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.